Hi guys, welcome back to my video. So today I'm just going to show you how I'm packing up some Happy Mail. I really normally don't package up Happy Mail like this at all, just because half the time I'm running out of time and I don't have time. So yeah, but this is a unicorn mail, so it's extra, magical, so I figured I'd wrap it that way. So for the first layer, I'm just going to do a little piece of tissue paper. And then I'm going to do a layer of this like iridescent sheets. These are in the gift wrap section at Hobby Lobby. It's iridescent, almost like that Easter egg basket stuff. Of that like opaque clear stuff. Oh, look how magical fun this looks already. This is unicorn mail. Okay, first things first is I'm just gonna start loading the bigger squared pieces, yeah, on the bottom. These are bags from Daiso. It says Happy Day. Has lollipops, just has some handmade embellishments, and I think Erica does videos for most of her stuff, so once she gets it, I will link a video once she has her video up. And this has some embellishments in it. These bags are from Daiso Japan as well. Then I got these boxes, I think at Marshall's. It came in a pack of two different boxes. Beautiful unicorn, like with that, whatever it's called, and gum from Target, gourmet unicorn gum. Trying to like even it out. I don't know how you guys do it. Then this bag is from Target, and it's just got some, a couple of goodies in there. Okay, like that. Then this bag is from Hobby Lobby. I forgot what's in here though. Wrapped it and I don't remember because I've been working on this for a long time. I've just been slowly adding stuff. Okay, then this unicorn bag. These are goodie, like almost like glassine bags from Party City. Super cute, and then all this trims and a paper clip that was gifted to me. A flower actually, from Michelle. Then this, I saw on Gloria V's YouTube, somebody sent her these bags and they like embellished the unicorn. So I figured I'd put some streamer gold stuff for the hair and a couple flowers. I thought it turned out cute. Okay, I need to add this guy before it doesn't fit. I made this tumbler was at Joann's or Hobby Lobby? Hobby Lobby. And then I just cut with my silhouette the Stay Magical and the unicorn, and then on the inside I just put some of this tissue paper to make it, look magical. Okay, does this fit? I'm gonna go at an angle like that. Okay, that'll fit that way. Then in here, I forgot what's in here. I don't remember. Some trim and a clothespin that was gifted to me. And some wrapping paper from Marshall's. Then this box is from Target Dollar Spot, and I just embellished the front. I won this in a like giveaway, kindness giveaway from Gathering Jewels on Instagram. And I just have some cute heart confetti from AliExpress, and there's bag toppers in there. Okay, let's see here. Does that fit? That's gonna have to fit. Okay. Then let's see. I still need to add this guy. What did I add in here? Oh, this is a unicorn. I already showed you this, but I don't know where this is gonna go. I'm gonna have to put this on top. Okay, then the box. Okay. Then, shoot, I'm forgetting stuff. This guy shoved in here. This cup is from turn it like that. The 99-cent store, and then I did a pair of unicorn socks in there in the cup. Then this little tassel charm that I made. This charm's from Hobby Lobby. I just did all the pretty rainbow style trims. Let's shove this in. Actually, I can lay that flat like that once I get it situated. I'm still missing, let's see. I don't know why it's spat. Oh, I guess I could squish stuff down. Then I got this cute little unicorn piñata from, where is it? Party City, I think. And then I cut it open with an X-Acto knife, just like on the back, and I'm gonna shove chocolates in there. And this guy's gonna fit. Yeah. Okay, so I can shove this down and it will fit. Perfect. This is gonna be one snug box. And then a card. Oh shoot, and then I forgot this makeup brush. It's a unicorn horn, and I just did a bow that Michelle gifted me. That will go in here too. Okay, I'm gonna put that in. But I'm gonna shove this all in, but I gotta put the chocolates in there. And then the card will go on top. Oh, and then I forgot these guys. These little faux leather bows. The fabric is from Hobby Lobby on a spool, and I just put them in a little cute bag from Daiso Japan, so those can be shoved in there. And then I will top it with confetti. So thanks for watching. Bye, guys.